Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story starts with a simple email. Emma is excited about her first paycheck at her new job, but after reading one message, she suddenly realizes she forgot something important. Now she only has a few days to fix the problem. What happened, and can she solve it before payday? While you listen, here's a simple question. Which card does Emma finally choose at the bank? Listen for the answer, then write it in the comments later. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember what you hear. Now, get comfortable, relax, and enjoy today's story.
This sandwich is really good.
It is. This place never disappoints.
I'm glad we came here today.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, actually.
That's nice to hear.
I got an email this morning.
Oh yeah? From who?
From HR.
Really? Was everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
Good. What did they say?
It was about my first paycheck.
That's exciting.
I know. I can't believe it's already coming.
Your first month went by fast.
It really did.
So when do you get paid?
Next week.
Nice. Any plans for the money?
Maybe dinner with friends.
Sounds good.
Maybe I'll buy a few things for my apartment too.
You're still settling in, right?
Yeah, I still need a few things.
New city, new job, new apartment.
Exactly. It's been a busy month.
So what did HR need?
That's the thing.
What do you mean?
They need my bank details.
That makes sense.
They need them by Friday.
Okay.
The problem is,
Yeah?
I don't have a bank account here yet.
Oh.
I didn't think about that.
Not even once?
Not until I read the email.
I can see why you're worried.
I thought I had everything ready.
Don't worry too much.
You think so?
Yeah, it's only Tuesday.
That's true.
You still have time.
I hope so.
We'll figure it out.
Thanks.
First paycheck problems.
I guess that's a good problem to have.
Exactly.
Okay, I feel a little better now.
Good. Let's talk about it after lunch.
Feeling a little better now?
A little.
That's a good start.
I still need to solve the problem.
True.
I can't stop thinking about Friday.
We'll get there.
I hope so.
Did you have a bank account in your old city?
I did.
What happened to it?
I closed it before I moved here.
Really?
Yeah, the nearest branch was very far away.
That makes sense.
At the time, it seems like a good idea.
And now?
Now I wish I had opened a new account sooner.
That's easy to say now.
True.
You've had a lot going on.
That's for sure.
New job,
Yep.
new apartment,
Yep.
new city.
Yep.
That's a lot for 1 month.
It really is.
How's the apartment?
It's getting better.
Still buying things?
Almost every weekend.
Furniture?
Furniture, kitchen stuff, cleaning supplies.
Sounds expensive.
It adds up fast.
That's why your first paycheck will feel good.
Definitely.
Have you paid next month's rent yet?
Not yet.
Another reason to get that account ready.
You're right.
Most companies want to send money directly to your account.
That's what HR said.
Pretty normal these days.
I guess I just wasn't thinking about it.
That's okay.
So what should I do?
Open an account after work.
Today?
Why not?
Can it really be that simple?
Usually, yes.
Really?
Bring your ID.
Okay.
Bring proof of your address if they ask.
I can do that.
Then talk to someone at the bank.
That's it?
That's it.
That sounds easier than I expected.
Most things do once you start.
Good point.
There's a bank near the office.
Have you been there?
Many times.
Is it good?
I've never had a problem.
That's good to hear.
We can walk there after work.
You'd come with me?
Sure.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
No problem.
Okay, let's do it after work.
Perfect.
I already feel more prepared.
See? One step at a time.
One step at a time. I'm glad we left on time today.
Me too.
Thanks again for coming with me.
It's no big deal.
It helps.
Have you thought about which bank you want?
Not really.
Fair enough.
They all look the same to me.
A lot of people feel that way.
How did you choose yours?
Honestly, I started with the app.
The app,
Yeah,
not the bank itself?
the bank matters too, but I use the app almost every day.
That's true.
I check my balance there.
Makes sense.
I pay bills there.
Really?
Yep.
What else can you do?
Send money.
That's useful.
Transfer money between accounts.
Nice.
Check recent payments.
I didn't know apps could do all that.
Most of them can.
Wow. Do you usually pay with cash?
Not often.
Card?
Usually.
What about your phone?
You mean paying with your phone?
Yeah.
I've seen people do it. I do it all the time.
Really?
For coffee,
Huh.
for groceries,
That's convenient.
for the train sometimes.
I didn't know that.
Once your card is connected, it's pretty easy.
Good to know.
Most people in the office use mobile payments,
Even Sarah?
especially Sarah.
That's funny.
She never carries cash.
Neither do I.
Then you'll probably like it.
Maybe I will.
Banking has changed a lot.
Sounds like it.
These days, people want things to be simple.
I definitely want simple.
That's why a good app matters.
I never thought about that before.
Most people don't at first.
I'm learning a lot today.
That's a good sign.
Do you think opening the account will take long?
Probably not.
Good.
Just answer a few questions.
I can do that.
And ask questions if you're unsure.
I will.
That's the bank right there.
Oh, we're already here.
Ready?
I think so.
You sound more confident now.
I feel more confident.
Good.
Okay, let's go open that account.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to open a bank account.
Of course.
Thank you.
Is this your first account with our bank?
Yes, it is.
Great. Let's get started.
Sounds good.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Have you recently moved to this city?
Yes, about a month ago.
Welcome to the area.
Thank you. I like it so far.
That's nice to hear.
Everyone has been very friendly.
And do you have proof of your address?
Yes, I do. Perfect.
Here it is.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, I started a new job recently.
Congratulations. Thanks. Is that why you're opening the account today?
Exactly.
Your employer needs your banking details?
Yes, they need them by Friday. Then you're here at the right time. That's good to hear.
Everything looks fine so far.
Great. The account can be opened today. Really? Yes, that's a relief.
Before we finish, I have a question.
Okay. Would you like a debit card or a credit card? Oh, take your time. Actually, I'm not sure. That's perfectly okay. I wasn't expecting that question. A lot of people say that. I thought we were done. Almost. I know what those cards are.
Okay, I don't really know the difference.
That's a very common question.
It is? Absolutely. Good.
You're not the first person to ask.
That's reassuring. Would you like me to explain?
Yes, please.
Of course. Thank you.
First, let me ask you something.
Sure.
Do you use a card often? Almost every day. For things like coffee?
Yes. Groceries? Definitely.
Online shopping?
Sometimes. Okay, that's helpful.
So what's the difference?
Good question. I've been wondering that. Let's talk about that. Okay, I'm listening. Let's start with a debit card.
Okay.
A debit card uses money from your bank account.
So it uses my money?
Exactly.
Okay.
If you have $100 in your account, you can spend that money.
That sounds simple.
It is. And what about a credit card? A credit card is different.
How so?
The bank lets you borrow money.
Borrow money?
Yes. Then I pay it back later. Exactly.
I see.
That's the main difference.
So a debit card uses my money,
Correct.
and a credit card uses borrowed money.
Correct.
That makes sense.
Let's think about everyday situations. Okay, this morning, did you buy coffee?
Yes, I did.
You could use either card.
Really?
Yes.
What about groceries?
Either card.
What about lunch?
Either card.
Online shopping?
Either card.
Interesting.
The difference is where the money comes from.
Right.
Your account or borrowed money.
That helps a lot.
Do you like keeping things simple?
Very much.
Do you usually follow a budget?
I try to.
Then a debit card may be a good place to start.
A good place to start?
Yes,
Why do you say that?
because you spend money that is already in your account.
I like that idea,
Many people do.
especially since I'm starting a new job.
Exactly. And I'm still setting up my new life here. That makes sense.
Rent, bills, groceries.
It sounds like you have a lot going on.
A little.
A debit card can help you keep track of your spending.
That's important to me.
Then it might be the right choice.
I think I understand now.
Good. Honestly, I was confused before. That's normal. But now it feels much clearer.
I'm glad to hear that.
I think I've made my decision.
Great.
I'd like a debit card. Excellent choice. It feels right for me right now.
Then let's set that up. Perfect.
It will only take a few more minutes.
That's great.
After that, your account will be ready.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome.
I understand now.
That's what I like to hear.
There you are.
Hi.
How did it go?
It went really well.
That's good news.
Better than I expected.
So everything worked out?
Yes.
Nice.
The account is open.
Already?
Yup.
That was fast.
That's what I thought.
Any problems?
Not really.
Good.
The only surprise was a question about cards.
Debit card or credit card?
Exactly.
I had a feeling that might come up.
I wasn't ready for it.
What happened?
I asked a lot of questions.
That's the best thing to do.
Miss Carter explained everything.
Was she helpful?
Very helpful.
Nice.
She used simple examples.
That always helps.
Coffee, groceries, online shopping.
Real life examples.
Exactly.
So what did you decide?
I chose a debit card.
Good choice.
That's what she said.
How do you feel about it?
Pretty good.
Why did you choose it?
It feels simple.
Makes sense.
Right now, I want to keep things simple.
I can understand that.
I'm still getting used to the city,
True.
and I'm still learning how to manage everything.
You're doing fine.
Thanks.
What's next?
Next, I need to send my bank details to HR
Today?
as soon as I get home.
That's a good idea.
Then I don't have to think about it anymore.
Exactly.
Honestly, this morning I was worried.
I remember.
Now I feel completely different.
That's what happens when you take action.
I guess so.
And now you're ready for payday.
Finally.
Looking forward to that first paycheck?
Very much.
Any plans?
Maybe dinner with friends.
Nice.
Maybe a few things from my apartment, too.
Sounds reasonable.
No big celebrations yet.
Maybe after the second paycheck.
That's probably smarter.
See, you're already thinking ahead.
I'm trying.
Well, mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Ready to head home?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
And thanks again for your help today.
Anytime. So, how would you describe today?
Busy but good.
That's fair.
A lot happened in one day.
It really did.
This morning feels so long ago now.
It does.
I was worried back then.
About the email?
Exactly.
What did the email say again?
HR needed my bank details by Friday.
Right.
At first, I didn't know what to do.
But then?
First, we talked about it at lunch.
That's right.
You helped me stay calm.
I tried.
It worked.
What happened next?
Then we walked back to the office.
And we made a plan.
Exactly.
What was the plan?
Open a bank account after work.
Simple and effective.
Sometimes simple is best.
I agree.
After that, we walked to the bank.
Right.
We talked about banking apps.
And mobile payments.
I learned a lot from that conversation.
Good.
Then I met Miss Carter.
How was she?
Very friendly.
That's always nice.
She helped me open the account.
Was the process difficult?
Not at all.
That's great.
But she asked me one question I didn't expect.
I know which one.
Debit card or credit card?
Exactly.
At first, I wasn't sure.
And then?
She explained the difference.
Using examples.
Yes, coffee, groceries, and online shopping.
Easy examples to understand.
Very easy.
So what did you decide?
I chose a debit card
And why?
because it uses money from my account.
Exactly.
It feels simple and practical.
Good reasons.
After that, the account was ready.
And then?
Then I sent my bank details to HR.
Problem solved.
Problem solved.
How do you feel now?
Much more confident.
That's nice to hear.
This morning, I felt stressed.
And now?
Now I feel ready.
Ready for what?
My new job,
Good.
my new city,
Good.
and my first paycheck.
Very good.
Thanks for helping me today.
Anytime.
I appreciate it.
You did the hard part yourself.
Maybe.
No maybe about it.
Well, I'm glad everything worked out.
Me too.
Okay, I think my train is coming.
Mine too.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
And next week, payday.
Now that's something to look forward to.
Great job listening all the way to the end. Before you go, let's review a few useful English expressions from today's story. Figure it out. Lucas says, "We'll figure it out." This means to find a solution to a problem. In the story, Emma was worried about her bank account, but together they found a solution. Example, "Don't worry, we'll figure it out." A good place to start. Miss Carter says, "A debit card may be a good place to start." This means a simple or suitable first step. In the story, a debit card was the best first choice for Emma. Example, "Walking every day is a good place to start." It worked out. Emma says, "Everything worked out." This means the situation ended well. At the beginning of the story, Emma felt stressed. By the end, she had her new account and her bank details ready for HR. Example, "The trip worked out better than expected." Now let's go back to today's listening question. Which card did Emma finally choose at the bank? Write your answer in the comments below. Writing in English helps you remember new words and build confidence step by step. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more relaxing English listening practice. And if you'd like to support more stories like this, you can also become a channel member. Thank you for spending time with us today. Keep listening, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. See you in the next story. Goodbye.